Hey, the biggest takeaway for me were practical approaches and adding inspiration for environmental education. These experiences provided a wonderful opportunity to be learning outside in a beautiful setting.
Thorax, which is the head and the thorax, and he's got an abdomen. What most people call the tail is actually its abdomen. This segment right here, right there, is actually the true tail, because the tail is the part that's got the pooper, and right there is the pooper. So this is a boy because we look at these things on the underside of the abdomen. These are called swimmerets, and if you look at the furthest